Hello, my darlings. Are you ready for the secret to a truly radiant glow? That's why we source the finest ingredients, so you can pamper yourself with the very best. Because you deserve it. Here at Jenny Skincare, we believe that luxury is not just a look, it's a feeling. It's the confidence that comes from healthy, luminous skin.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you people a step-by-step process on how to create a skincare advertisement video like the one you just saw. So to create this video, you need a VEO account. A VEO is actually a Google AI. This AI was released recently, and this AI is so good at producing and creating professional videos. So if you don't have an account, you can click the link in the video description. I also have a video talking about how to create an account. It's actually free for the first 30 days. So you can create an account using the link in the video description. And I'm also going to show you people how to create the prompts and also how to merge the videos. It's very, very easy to do. Just like every other generative AI out there, Google VEO3 makes use of prompt to generate videos. So your ability to give it a very good prompt will determine the quality of the video it's going to give to you. That's why you have to work on your prompting skills. Now, if you're very good at, prompting, you can use your hand to generate it. You can generate it by yourself. But I do advise people to use other generative AIs like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, and there are many other generative AIs out there you can use to generate a very good prompt. So in my case, I used Google Gemini to generate this prompt. So this is what my prompts look like. I want to create a prompt for Google VEO3. It's an advertisement video for a luxury store named Jenny's Skincare Store. The advertiser should be a very young and gorgeous woman. So you have to tell the AI exactly what you need. Then it is going to generate a prompt that you can use to prompt the Google VEO3 AI model. So this is what it gave to me. As you can see in this prompt that it gave to me, it has both the prompt, the subject, it has the action and dialogue. It tells the AI model what to do in each of the timestamp in the video. It also, gave us a voice that we can use, like a speech that the person, the character in the video is going to be saying. Then it gave us the video style, like the overall mood, the visual tone, camera work, everything. So this is why you need the help of another generative AI to do the prompting for you. So we are going to generate our first video using this prompt. So if you take a look at this prompt, you'll notice that it has two main parts. So we have the Google View prompt, and scrolling down, you also notice that we have another section, which is the video style guide. So you want the video style guide to be consistent in all the videos, right? So we are going to copy this video style guide and paste into the Google VEO3 model. Then we also want to copy the prompt, which I've already copied here. So the prompt is actually what the character will be saying. So in the first 3 to 10 seconds of the video, the character will say, "Hello, my darlings. Are you ready for the secret to a truly radiant glow?" So this is what you're going to copy. Now, if you're generating video with Google VEO3, you'll notice that it has, one, I'm not going to call it an error because this is like a challenge that we do face generating video using Google VEO3. So most of the videos generated by VEO3 don't exceed 8 seconds. So you want to make sure that you're not pasting all the prompts there. So I'm going to paste the first prompt here and select the model. So when you click settings here, you will notice that there are 4 different models. So you want to be using the VEO3 model because the VEO3 model gives you quality and it also generates the audio. So the VEO2 fast and the VEO2 quality don't generate audio. So you want to use this one or this one. Now the difference between this one and this one is that this one gives you better quality, but then you have to be spending 100 credits, while this one gives you a very good quality and it costs 20 credits. So if you have it depends on the quality of the video you need, but I'm going to recommend this first. So if you use this and you don't get what you want, you can switch to this anytime. So we are going to be using this for the tutorial Let's see how it's going to come out.
Hello, my darlings. Are you ready for the secret to a truly radiant glow?
Alright, so like I said earlier, you want the prompt and also the video style guide to be consistent in all the videos. So for the second prompt, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to copy this and replace the prompt we have here. So let's go here and do reuse prompt. So you want to scroll down and change just this, the action and the dialogue. You don't want to touch the prompt, you don't want to touch the video style guide at the top. So you just want to change this so that the video is going to generate would look exactly like what the first video looks like. So we are replacing just the action and the dialogue. So let's click generate to see what it's going to give to us. Alright, now that we have our second video, let's play it and see how it looks like.
Here at Jenny Skincare, we believe that luxury is not just a look, it's a feeling. It's the confidence that comes from healthy, luminous skin.
Now for the final video, you also want to go back to the prompt and copy the last section of this prompt. So we want to copy this. Still go back to Google View 3. Click reuse prompt. Scroll down and replace the action and the dialogue. So let's click send to generate the third video. Yeah, now that we have the final video, let's go and play it. First of all, this is what people are charging money to teach, but I'm doing it for free. So the only way you can support me is liking and subscribing to this channel to support the algorithm. So let's play the last video to see what the AI has given us.
That's why we source the finest ingredients, so you can pamper yourself with the very best. Because you deserve it.
Now we have the three videos. We need to merge these videos together. That is the only way we can have a full-length advertisement video, for anything. So there are multiple ways you can do that. You can use CapCut. You can also use Canva to merge these videos. But there is an inbuilt feature here. I'm going to show you people. So when you hover over the video, you notice that it has add to scene. So I can click add to scene and give it few seconds to actually add a scene for me. Then I can still click here at the top to go back to the previous video. And then we can add this one to scene. So it is now going to include the second video here. I can also go back and add the last video to scene. So this is going to include the three videos in one scene. So we have the first video, we have the second video here, we also have the last video. Now if you want to rearrange these videos, if you want the last one to come first, if you want, it depends on how you want it, you can just click arrange and you can now move the videos and change their order. Okay, but now in my case, I want this one to be the first one. I also want this one to be the second one, while this one will be the last one. So I can click done, and you can also hover over the video and click download. So this is going to take a few seconds to export the video, and it will be downloaded on your device. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video.